I'm Magikakuo and welcome to my kitchen. Here we explore how to make delicious and easy to cook recipes that anyone can make from home. Let's get cooking. On today's video, we'll be making mandazi, a very simple recipe for mandazi, and you and your family can enjoy. So our ingredients for today, we have lemon zest. This is lemon zest. That is our first ingredient. We'll mix them together. Then I love my mandazis with cinnamon, so we'll put a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then we go to baking powder. We'll do a teaspoon of this. Then we go in with our sugar. I'll use like half of this cup. Then 2 eggs. It's important to beat your eggs separately in case one is spoiled. This is okay. Then I had melted my margarine, so we'll put in margarine. This is 2 tablespoons of margarine. And we mix everything up. And this is like 450 ml of milk. We'll add in more sugar. With that, now we put the flour. Clean my hands. Now we can go in with our hands to make sure the dough is well done. You'll keep adding flour until your dough is not sticky. Surface is clean, so we can move it here for better working. You can see our dough is not sticky now, and this is how you want it. So we'll let it sit for about half an hour, then we'll come back and cook it. Now 30 minutes are over, so we'll now go straight into cooking our mandazis. You can make this for yourself and your family, and I'm sure you have these ingredients at home: flour, milk, sugar, margarine, cinnamon, and oil. That is all you need to make this, and it has taken me under 1 hour to make all this, so it is doable. And you can also enjoy it with a glass of milk, coffee, hot chocolate, whatever you want, black coffee, whatever you want. I'll be enjoying mine with a glass of milk. And yeah, you can watch this and more on my YouTube channel. Watch out for more videos like this.